Viewers, welcome back to the new episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's start with index Nifty. On daily scale, Nifty continued to rise for third consecutive trading session after a free fall of approx 3% from the all-time highs, and currently it is moving towards the channel resistance. On hourly chart, index may feel hit around 13,780-13,800 levels, which is acting as an initial resistance level. 13,630 will be acting as initial support level. If it fails to hold that level, index may move back towards 13,400 levels. Moving on towards the next index, that is Bank Nifty. Comparing to the Nifty, Bank Nifty is trailing in terms of performance. It failed to recover as swiftly as Nifty recovered from Monday's free fall. 29,500 will be acting as initial support level. Index needs to breach 30,950 levels to continue with its bullish momentum, or else index may move back towards 29,500 levels. Moving on towards the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to talk about Nifty Energy Index. On daily scale, index was able to hold the horizontal support level and bounce from the same. Index has breached the resistance of 20 EMA and closed above it. RSI is gradually moving towards the north direction from the support zone, indicating that index is in recovery mode. Above 17,000 levels, index may move towards 17,400 levels. Moving on towards the final segment, that is stocks. So the first stock which we are going to talk about is Century Ply. On daily scale, it is trading along with the rising trend line. It has formed range breakout and closed above it. RSI is moving towards the north direction, indicating good strength in stock. Stock is forming higher high, higher low formation. Moving on towards the next stock, that is Petronet LNG. On daily scale, stock failed to sustain above the support level. Stock continued to trade below 20 EMA, indicating continuation of bearish momentum. RSI is moving towards the south direction, indicating weakness in stock. Stock below 244 levels may move towards 230 levels. So that's all for this video. Hope you all have a profitable weekend. Thank you.